Hi there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome to another one of my videos on my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing a layout I created with the Kind Reminder stamp set from Altenew, which is in their new September 10th release. So let's have a look. I'll be using the Kind Reminder stamp sets, the coordinating dies and also the coloring stencil. This is quite a new product at Altenew and it's really fun to use. So I'll be making an 8.5 by 11 layout, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp a flower or a floral image onto the side of my white paper. So I'm just going to prepare my stamps with an eraser, and then I'm going to pick a couple of those floral images, and as you can see you've only got the outline on the stamp set. I have stamped a couple onto my background, but I'm also going to stamp a couple of flowers onto separate pieces of white cardstock, and these will be cut out later on. As you can see, there are a variety of flowers on this stamp set, and you can create lots of fun different looks. Now once you've got your stamped images, you can color them in. Now what is a bit different to other floral stamps from Altenew, where you have different layers that you stamp on, this time you have the layers but with a coloring stencil. And this stencil will help you color in your floral images. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to color in the separate images, and I'm going to add a little bit of masking tape onto my paper and onto my stencil just to keep everything in place. I'm going to take my Altenew blending tools, but I wanted to use those at first, but they're a bit large. So I'm just going to use a couple of brushes, and I'm going to go with some lovely purples to color in my floral images. Once you've colored in the first, you can pull off the stencil and then add the second layer and add in a darker shade. It is very similar to adding layers with stamps, but this time you have a stencil. Now you do have to be very careful when you're working with larger brushes not to add any color to the empty spaces around for the leaves. So if you're a bit hesitant, what I would do is maybe add a little bit of washi tape onto those images, and that way you won't get any color on there. Now for my leaves, instead of going for green, I'm going for a lovely aqua color, and I will leave all the links to the inks and products used in the comment section below. So once I've finished coloring in all my images, I'm going to cut out the separate ones and then start assembling the layout. colored in all the images, I took the coordinating dies and cut them out. And now I can start putting together the layout. So I'm going to keep the floral images on the background paper, just white and black as such, just with the outline. And then I'm going to add those colored flowers on top. I really like the contrast. I had a good rummage through my little Altenew embellishment ball and pulled out these lovely hand-drawn leaves from the Celebrate collection, which was a collaboration with Pink Fresh Studio. And I'm going to pop my photo on there. Now I'm just going to pull out a couple of embellishments and play around with them and see what will work on my layout. I really love this chipboard sticker from the Enjoy the Ride collection, so I'm going to use that one. And I'm also going to pull out some of the Bouquet Builder floral elements from the Enjoy the Ride collection, and I'm going to use colors that are very similar to the colors that I used in my floral images, so some yellow and some purple. Now once I'm happy with that, I can start gluing everything down, and then all I'll have to do is add a couple of finishing touches like some sentiments and maybe some doodled elements. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want more information on all the products used, please visit my blog, and there is also a giveaway on there at the moment for the new release. Have a lovely day, happy scrapping, stay safe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.